grandpa said he had a knack for reviews. He's the hungry ferret.
Hi everybody, so today we're going to take a look at the Bodum Pourover coffee maker. The one here is the 8 cup 1 liter 32 ounce model. It includes a stainless steel filter and it's made from borosilicate glass, which is heat resistant and tempered. On the outside of the box it includes directions on how to make the coffee. It's pretty simple since there's only 4 steps. The Bodum Pourover includes many other colors. The one selected here today is black. But red, green, and white looks just as good. So let's take a look inside. You have the cover, the reusable filter, and the carafe itself. The filter is a stainless steel fine wire mesh. It's different from the traditional paper filters. The carafe has a plastic and silicone collar. This is how you will handle the carafe without burning your hands. The collar is held on by tension. There's some simple warnings on the bottom of the carafe. It warns you to keep this away from children, do not place on the stovetop, and be careful with hot liquids. So let's make some coffee. The ratio I like to use is 68 grams to 1,000 grams of water. You could adjust to your taste. Another popular ratio is 68 grams of coffee to 1,165 grams of water. The coffee is ground at a medium coarse, and I place it in a filter. I'm going to treat this like a regular pour over, so of course I'm going to bloom for 45 seconds. After 45 seconds, I'm going to start pouring water in small circles, reaching my goal of 1,000 grams of water. This device works just like any other pour over, similar to the Chemex. Let's take a look at the coffee. So using the stainless steel filter, you're going to get a layer of oils on top of your coffee. Many people enjoy this as it brings an extra layer of flavor. There's also others that don't like the oils. They associate the oils with bitterness or offsetting flavors. It comes down to personal preference. The stainless steel filter is normally an additional cost, and it's nice that Bodum includes it. Overall, I enjoyed this pour over and I like it. When you get a chance, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.